Remember, the water, it's actually right here. So if something happens to me on this motorcycle race, buddy, just drink up. Drink up, buddy, drink up. Here, just reach up. Okay. She's good, don't worry, she's good. What the fro is that? What the heck is that? Wait till you see this. It is actually cold. Nice. So we got the black feather. This symbolizes something. If I was a philosopher, the black feather, the black swan event. Check my hands out for lice. Maybe it's a sign. You can never tell. Unit 3, come in. Do a 360 sweep of my position, over. Roger that. Let's go. Unit 1, stack up. Go. Check those corners, check those corners. It's game over, man. Clear. And the best part is what hides under this, like John Wick. Alright. Check you out. You should know the rest of you. Chain is good. Tire. Good. Alright. You don't want to mess with me. Let's get it. Let's get some. Filming. Can you see? Hold on. Yeah, hard to see. soon. This was once under floodwater. We're gonna keep going. I'm surprised we're still filming. Hurry, hurry, hurry. That's a bear. And we're at China, kind of.